Welcome back to House Build. I'm How To Bob. This is part 20. In the last episode, we had the electric hooked up to the house, got all the painting done. So we're waiting on the electrician to come back in and finish up the final electric. You can see we have lights and a ceiling fan box in the middle underneath the back patio where the deck's going to be. Got some flooring started and our baseboard is all trimmed. Great room, and all the bedrooms are all painted. And we've got some lighting to do out on the front porch here and a ceiling to put in the front porch. You can see the tile in the main bathroom is now complete. And we've got more tile done in the master bathroom, and the shower base is set. So we're slowly working towards getting the master bathroom complete. So we've got some of the baseboard put up throughout the master. The electricians are here and they started working on some of the outlets and switches. We'll take a look out in the great room. You can see the switches that are done, doorbell, and some of the outlets are complete. Starting to get some casing done here as well. Closet doors are going on in the 2 bedrooms. And we'll start getting the molding put up real soon. Other bedroom, closet doors are going up. And we've got a lot of outlets complete. Our panels cleaned up in the basement. Got all the wires hooked up to that. Water heater and furnace are getting hooked up. So we'll have permanent heat. You can see the hatch needs a little trim around it. The attic hatch, that is. We've got some casing around the doors now. And let's take a look in the master bath. We have light above where the vanity is going to go. 2 can lights there. It's nice to have light. There's lights above the shower. And we'll go out in the great room, take a look at all the can lights that are out in the great room above the kitchen area. Lights in the hallway. A few lights in the main bathroom. And you're going to get a ceiling fan in both the bedrooms, so that will be coming eventually. We'll also be putting carpet in the bedrooms. So out on the back patio, we have a couple can lights, still waiting for the ceiling fan, and we still have to pour the piers for the deck posts. So this will be a nice area to sit out. So we got our vanity in today, so we're gonna start putting the bathrooms together. And we've got a lot of the molding done in the bedrooms. A lot of the tile work is complete in the master bathroom. Our base is set, so we can start working on the master shower. Some painting of the doors going on as well. We just received the kitchen cabinets, so we'll be installing those in episode 21 of House Build. To see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.